Hi, I'm here with the lovely Penny, Tania from Hearts and Bones Pilates, and I'm just going to show you how you can very quickly and simply release your neck and shoulders. So Penny is holding onto her biceps with her elbow bent. She's going to lower her arm just a little bit, and now she's just going to gently twist outwards and inwards as she grips that bar. She's going to go as far as she can without letting her upper arm drop, and then she's going to go the other way. So you want to imagine that you're sort of working through honey, so it's nice and thick and sticky. So you want to do about 5 to 8 of these just to sort of warm up that elbow movement. And just to get the muscles around that forearm to warm up before we throw and catch the stick. Right, Penny, so now you can let go of your upper arm. And I'd just like you to throw the stick and catch it, turning your palm up to the ceiling, and then reverse the action, and just do a few of those. That's it. Good. Now, that's what quite often happens, so we're going to get Penny to try and do that again. So it's great for hand-eye coordination. There we go. Fantastic. Beautiful, Penny. Just do one more like that. And now we're going to take the orientation into the vertical, and this is a whole lot harder. Good. So now you're going to throw and catch from the outside and from the inside of the pole. Beautiful. So this is fantastic for sports people, but it's also great for anybody that's got neck and shoulder issues. And thank you very much for joining us. Bye.